Good evening. This is the Year 9 Options Evening video for Geography. So this is just a brief overview of the Geography GCSE, what it entails, what students will get out of it at the end. So this is a GCSE following the EdXLA GCSE Geography 9:1 specification. And it's a specification that we've chosen due to the range of topics that students can study, the mixture of human and physical geography, and as well the requirement of 2 pieces of field work to be completed that enable students to understand the world around them, which is really important to be a good geographer. Students are assessed with 3 exams, so there's no coursework or anything like that, 3 exams, all 90 minutes long at the end of year 11. Paper 1 looks at the natural environment, so things like weather, climate, landscapes of the UK, rivers, coasts, ecosystems such as deserts, rainforests. Paper 2 is the human environment, including cities, global development, so the differences in wealth and income and the differences in quality of life between different countries and some of the reasons behind those differences, and looking at resource management, so looking at food and water and energy and the importance of managing our resources with a growing population. Paper 1 and 2 are worth 37.5% of your overall grade, so 75% in total. Paper 3 is all about field work and UK challenges, which is a synoptic topic. So what that means is all of the topics that you study for paper 1 and paper 2, you look at issues in the UK relating to those. So for example, our changing climate in the UK, flooding, coastal flooding, the growth of towns and cities and like where to build new houses for our growing population and so on. And that's worth 25% of your final grade. In terms of future careers, GCSE Geography could enable students to go on to a range of subjects at A-level and BTEC, for example, A-level Geography, Geology, Environmental Science, or Travel and Tourism Level 3. GCSE Geography can equip students with a range of knowledge and skills needed in industries as diverse as like being a travel agent, a hydrologist, or a town planner. And kind of what's most important about geography is that we look at these global issues such as climate change, managing natural resources, population growth, geopolitics, which make the course extremely relevant to our ever-changing world. In terms of how this builds upon Key Stage 3, so lots of the topics that students have studied at Key Stage 3 will be covered in more depth. So they won't be repeating work, they'll be looking at a deeper understanding of the topic previously studied. So they have a wider breadth of learning within a particular topic, but also a greater degree of rigor. So GCSE is obviously a step up in terms of difficulty. However, we've provided students in Key Stage 3 with a broad and wide range of understanding so that will enable them to go on to do well at GCSE Geography. Obviously, if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with myself or Mrs. Winnie. I look forward to speaking to some of you parents this evening.